What is projection mapping? But how do you create projection mapping? Now, let's dive into the details and discover how to create it. Firstly, you'll require a computer, several projectors, the exact number calculated based on the screen size you aim to create, and a robust projection mapping software. Next, set up your projector and other equipment. In the installation phase, make sure it's securely placed in the right location to cover your mapping surface. Ensure they are securely mounted and at the optimal angle for maximum coverage. Proper alignment is crucial, as it affects the final outcome of your projection mapping display. Then, use the software to adjust the projection. Seamlessly stitch and calibrate the images until they align perfectly with the mapped surface. Fine-tune the grid to ensure all images overlap precisely. If there's any color discrepancy between projectors, use the projection mapping software's tools to correct it. With these adjustments, you'll achieve a flawless projection mapping display. After finalizing all adjustments, choose your content to be projected, whether it's video segments or dynamic interactive applications. Okay, please enjoy the fruits of our labor. All of these can be effortlessly achieved with our projection mapping software. This versatile tool is designed for screen adjustments of any shape. There are no limits on the number of projectors you can blend. And now, for just $600, you can take ownership of this powerful software. To learn more how to make multimedia interactions or to make a purchase, visit our website. Together, let's turn imagination into reality.